Measure breaths fall between our steady time. Silk tones glide, my voice around your spine. Candle warm hums, patience in the room. Heartbeat language speaks a private tune. I trace the hours gently out of you. Calm tides pull worries far from view. Every moment bends toward our pace. Promises rest within this space. I move with care, attentive and true. Tonight I give my focus all to you. Soft rhythm, settle nerves, breathing steadies. Desire blooms warm and patient, guiding, trust deeper still. Closer now, here say complete align. I'm centered, open, leaning into grace. Your doubts dissolve, replaced by ease. Let melodies wrap comfort tight. Hands speak kindness, timing right. We float on velvet intervals. No rush, just mutual accord. I'm present fully to the care. Receiving peace we share together. Hold the moment, let it flow. Everything aligns, we glow. Breathing steadies, tension fades. Warmth settles, faith rises, patience stays. Artless embodied, understand. Harmony grows, calm expands. Trust holds, time softens, smiles linger, dreams rest near. Hours drift like satin rain. My tone pours unhurried, a gentle lane. I read your signals, move with art. Content is clear, a shared start. Comfort first, devotion shown. Attention deep, completely grown. We map sensations carefully. Respect guides every melody. I offer presence, steady, sure. Sanctuary, calm and pure. When doubts arrive, I smooth the seams and cradle thoughts into serene. Breaths align, pulses soften. Patience teaches bodies listen. Kindness leads, desire balances. Time